Right, howdy folks, how we doing? Today's mission, or this afternoon's mission, is to load up the TW because we're going to this playing match. So yeah, we're going to put the low loader on. I've got a couple of things to do on the T-dub, and then we'll load the T-dub up so she's ready for off in the morning, so we can have a day of fun with the boys. Should be good. Bloody looking forward to it. There she is, and there's a carriage. There's there is a little bit of a technique with these. You do get a mirror on them, but you don't tend to need the mirror. There you go. You line it up right, you sort of get to know where the link arms are. You can put them on easy. The rest on the stops, cool. Right, we can plug her in now. How many bloody Susie lines I've got in a right old muddle. Well, they look like they're in a muddle, but they ain't. There you go. But they can easily get in a muddle. That's the, for those of you who don't know, the red line supplies air to the trailer, to the brakes, well, to the air tanks, which feed the brakes and the suspension, because this trailer's got air suspension. This one, the yellow line, that hopefully won't leak, there you go, that actually activates the brakes on and off. See, because now, because the handbrake is on the tractor, there's pressure in that line. If I take the handbrake off, there'll be no pressure in that line. So that when there's when you apply the brakes, that puts pressure into this line, which then puts pressure on in all the brake lines. So that's why you got a red and a yellow. That one supplies air. That one activates the brakes on and off. So there you go. We are pumping air into it. So we'll let that pump in, and we'll get the TW ready. Right, just washed the T-dub. So now I'm going to get it loaded up, boys. And look. Look at that, boys. That's on there specifically to pee Mucka off, because he hates straight through pipes. So that's on there just so, just so I can look at his face when I get there in the morning and just see that look of disgust on it. So that's why that's on there. Oh, she sounds bloody good. I haven't had the old straight through on for a while. Some rig when we get her on there. Leave her there. Fire my old Fazzy up. She's looking good. I can love this tractor. I love them both. Get a bit of air in her. There we go. I reckon that'll do. Shut her up. Oh, we can turn her off now. Oh, it won't be long before it's dark now. Alright, let's get this bad boy on here. First job is we can drop all the air out of it just to make the ramps a bit less steep, because she will be pointing skywards when we go up there, and if we just drop this down it just makes sure that it don't, you know, hasn't got in such a steep ramp. So right, there we go. The other thing you need to really just double check is that you have got the toe and eye all locked in, because when we go on the back, this front is going to want to come up. So if you've got, say you've got a worn pickup hook there, or pickup or eye, and you've got enough gap for that to come out, when that goes, when I put the tractor on the back, she will want to come up, and God knows where it'll go. So that is just something to bear in mind if you do use having to use low loaders and stuff. Let's drop these down. These are manual ramps, got to be careful with these, so they do weigh a fair old bit. It's like strongman training putting them up, that is. You may be saying, oh, why didn't you get hydraulic ramps? Well, we didn't get hydraulic ramps because we want it mainly as a bow trailer. We want to be able to take the ramps off. It's a dual purpose trailer, so that's why they're manual ramps, because when we're using it just on straw card or whatever, ramps come off. You ain't got them on there. You ain't. The other thing with the hydraulic ones, you know, they do weigh a lot, so you know, you're carting that about. Right, let's get this TW loaded, boys. That's in. That's all right that side, boys. That's all right that side. She's on. And job's a good one. Right, turn her off, get her strapped on. Right. Let's strap this old girl down. Oh, she don't want to falling off. That's gone on there nice, that is. Right, do some strongman training. There we are, boys. Got a spare little one there. In case we get a problem. Go in the back. Right, we'll just fire up. Do a light check. Beep, 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 beep. Right. Oh yeah, flashes on. I'll just put the hazards on as well, so I know I've got hazards. Now. Another thing I need to do is reset the air. You simply do by pulling out that, then puts it to automatic ride height. And you can hear it's just filling up now. All them side lights work. Yeah, rear lights, rear hazards, flasher in the middle. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all going. Super smashing. Oh, well, there you go. She's ready to go, boys. Right. Now, if you get a chance, come up Saturday, tomorrow, on the 27th October, I can't remember the name of the place now, but the link will be in the description, and I'll be there, Mucka will be there, Deano will be there, Big Paul will be there, the missus will be there, that'll be there, everything will be there. It'll be a good crack. There'll be tons of other machines there as well, so get yourselves up there. And if you can't get up there, watch the videos. There'll be one on Talking Point. I'll probably do a quick vid, Deano will do a quick vid, Mucka will do a quick vid, but I think the main video will be on Talking Point, so keep your eyes peeled for that. We'll let you know when it comes out. And there's only one thing left, and it's ta-ta.